You don't need weeks of product development to create something useful. This garden stake went from idea to printable product in under an hour. Let me show you 10 tips that made the process faster. Tip number 1 is to use AI for concept generation. I often start by describing the product and asking for a concept sketch. It is a quick way to explore ideas and identify features worth keeping before opening Fusion. Tip number 2 is to insert the sketch as a canvas in Fusion and calibrate it to the size you need. While it is possible to convert images into SVG files, that workflow often requires a lot of cleanup. For simple products like this, I find it faster to sketch directly on top of the image and use it as a reference. Tip number 3 is to keep the sketch as simple as possible. For a symmetric product like this, I only sketch half the profile using the line tool. Then I add the softer shapes later in the solid modeling environment. Tip number 4 is to use fillet to soften the design. Fillets improve the appearance of the product, can increase strength, and often create a better user experience by removing sharp edges. Tip number 5 is to mirror the design in the solid modeling environment. Since it can be difficult to position the original sketch perfectly on the canvas, I use one of the inner faces as a mirror plane. Tip number 6 is to use project and offset to create a cutout sketch from the existing geometry. It is a quick way to remove material, reduce print time, and lower filament usage without having to redraw the design from scratch. Tip number 7 is to take advantage of the flexibility of 3D printed parts. For the hose clip, I made the opening slightly smaller than the hose diameter. The material flexes just enough for the hose to snap into place and stay securely attached. Tip number 8 is to add chamfers to the edges. They give the product a cleaner appearance and help create a more refined final print. Tip number 9 is to design with your print bed in mind. Small adjustments to the size can make it possible to print more parts in a single batch, saving both time and effort. Tip number 10 is to add a small brim around the parts. A brim helps keep the prints firmly attached to the build plate and reduces the risk of failures, especially when printing multiple small objects at once. Join thousands of subscribers and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the video description for useful links, discounts, and more. You'll also find links to both the physical product and the digital files if you'd like a set for your own garden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.